Hey, what's going on, my fellow YouTubers? This is your boy Joel, and I'm just in this house and everything. So, as many of you know, I love fans, and so I'm finna give you a little fan show. All right, here's a fan right here, and in most of the bedrooms, they have these four-bladed white. I believe they're Littleton, the Hampton Bay Littleton fans. And I guess they're pretty old and everything, so I believe they're like a 42-inch, 42-inch Littleton ceiling fans in every room. And take it for a test spin. Hold the lights on, so cut this off. Okay, this fan here is having a little trouble working. But it's spinning. I think the motor's shot, so we'll have to replace this fan with something else. Alright, we go into the other room. This is one of the other bedrooms. For a bunch of old fans, they still work pretty good. They still give out a good amount of air. They're just small. I believe it's on medium. Let me try some. Oh, this is high speed. Okay. This is high speed. This is medium speed. This is low speed. And this is off. Alright, let's go into the other room. Alright. I think the bearings are bad on this one. You heard the sound of it a little bit. Shaking a little bit, but alright. Sorry. This is medium speed, so it quiets down a little bit. You hear that humming. You hear that sound a little bit, but it's nice. You still hear a little bit of it. Alright, and that's all. Alright, we have a fan in the kitchen area, and this is a 52-inch Hunter ceiling fan, low profile. It's called a low profile, and it has the light kit on it, so we'll give it a test shot. This is high. It's pretty big for a kitchen this size. And Hunter ceiling fans are pretty good fans. They're really good fans. They blow pretty good amount of air, but I would say for anyone that has a kitchen this size, it'll be better to get a smaller ceiling fan, because especially in a small thing like this, it don't really blow good of air as it should. Again, this is a 52-inch Hunter low-profile ceiling fan with a schoolhouse globe. This is medium speed. Or either it'd be better to put it on reverse so you can get some good airflow. This is low. But it's a good fan otherwise. Just either put it on reverse or just put it in a different room where it's bigger. And this is off. All right. Last but not least, this is one of my favorite fans. I believe this is one of the older model fans from Hampton Bay. It's called the Hampton Bay Genoa, Genoa. And this is one of my favorite fans. It used to be in my mother's church in Apopka. And I fell in love with these fans ever since. So, anyway, we'll turn it on. This is high, I believe. It's rocking a little bit though. You can see it doing the hula hoop dance. But otherwise, it's got good air circulation. Very, very good air circulation. Beautiful fan. All right, here we go with music. And it's still giving out that good air circulation. And here's low. And again, like I said, the Hampton Bay Genoa is something like, I would say, a copy of the SMC Emperor, except it's a close to ceiling kind of thing. And here's off. All right. Well, God bless you, and I hope that you enjoyed this fan presentation. All right. God bless, and hit me up with some comments or likes or dislikes. All right. Thank you.